Hi and welcome to Roos Kitchen and Garden. So here we are making Diwali wall torans. Here I have some net cloth in different color. I think 2 meters each I've taken, but that's a lot. You can take 1 meter and it's different colors. You can experiment with more colors. All this mess is created because of this golden fabric which I found in the dump at the Christmas section. Now we'll take pieces of the net cloth and you have to take the similar net cloth, crush it and then make like this pillow kind of a thing to stuff inside. Tie it with a matching thread and tie the loose ends tightly, secure them tightly. You should have like an octopus shape and then cut the loose threads. Now I've also cut squares of that Christmas cloth that I told you that I found in the dump. Christmas dump section. So yes, now I have put this cloth. If you find a cloth with the net cloth with gota patti or the lace at the bottom golden color, nothing like it, but in Singapore choices are really very few. This I got from Spotlight. So now we've tied all these different colors of cloths together and we made them these latkans. Prepared them. I've taken a golden wire and a bell at the bottom. Now like I said, you can hang anything at the bottom to secure it and make sure that the line stands straight. I didn't find gota patti, so I'm using these golden mini cupcake holders. If you have gota patti in your area, please attach gota patti to it, the gotas to it. Now I've taken a broad needle, passed the golden thread through it, and I'm passing the cupcake case through it and covering the bell like a skirt. Then I've taken this 10 mm bead. You can take any size that would secure things and also look nice. Don't try this what I'm doing, but it was too hard. Some of them passed easily, some of them couldn't pass through easily. Now we've hung them. Now we are going to attach these. I tried to pass it through the same needle, but then the inner net made it quite difficult. So I'm sewing these with the matching colored thread on top of the golden bead that we passed. So like I said, in Singapore, Christmas is big, so right now we have Christmas bells and everything Christmassy. You can hang whatever you want. Like they were nice ghungru type napkin holders. I'm going to buy that also and go and make different hanging. Now I'm here securing or passing a thermocol ball through the line because I want to secure these cupcake cases and I don't want all of them to drop together at one place. So you can put beads also, but I realized thermocol balls hold up really well. If you want, you can color those thermocol balls to the matching colors. I didn't go through that trouble. Again, I'm securing another one at a distance. Now the distance you decide how close or how far away you want them to be from each other. I thought that if I make more of the golden thread seam, then that will look nicer. So that's why I've put them at a distance from each other. So at regular intervals I'm going to put these, and now I'm going and putting them down on the staircase, and I'm cutting these golden threads according to the length that I want, so it's easier for me. It's looking very nice. You can also pass light through it like I've done. I've passed these lights through them. Nice, these are looking. In the evening it will look even nicer. So just try to do some Diwali decor stuff. I hope you like this video and I hope you're going to try. It's very easy to make. It's very messy and now I'm going to end up cleaning a lot of mess around here on my carpet, but trust me, it's very nice. I hope you like this and wish your family a very happy Diwali. Bye.